So the symptoms of heartburn or reflux are a burning feeling in the chest, which can sometimes be felt as a non-burning chest pain, but tends to be associated with food. Water brash is a symptom where the fluid flushes up so high that the patient feels it as a flush of fluid in their mouth. If acid is rising that high, it can also cause a hoarse voice by damaging associated tissues, a cough, a sore throat, and globus, which is a constant feeling of a lump in the throat, whether you're eating or not.
And Emma, I understand that non-burning chest pain can also be a symptom of reflux.